I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Oh. Okay. Whoa, lady almost pulled out on me. All righty. All right, looks good. There's a car coming. All right, Daddy, we on it.
All right, sweet ruby red robin. What do we do now?
Straight over this roundabout.
Ruby red robin.
Clear. Second exit coming up, Black Falcon.
Cup it.
Clear.
All clear. Sweet ruby red robin. What do we do now? Ruby red robin, do you copy? Do you hear me?
Say again.
I said ruby red robin, what do we do now?
What do we do now?
Yes,
All right, Black Falcon.
we ride.
The good people. We are going to go investigate something that's right in our backyard, basically. It's called Black Chalk Winery and Vineyard. We've not been there before, didn't even hear about it until we actually passed it on one of our other rides. So we're going to go check it out, bring you guys along for the ride, let you see what's out there. We have a late start today. It's almost 11 o'clock, 20 till. So the sky is clouding up a bit. Hopefully we won't hit any rain on our way out.
Yes, ruby red robin. It's forecast to be all cloudy all day with low temps. Just edging up finally above 10 degrees today. Otherwise, it all remains dry, and hopefully we have a nice ride all through the day.
All right, ready? Okay, first exit coming up. We're heading on to the 3057 towards Stockbridge. It's a pretty short ride today, 12 minutes out only.
Lights.
Thank you. Big Daddy, you ready for that national speed limit?
Not really. I just feel like an easy weekend ride.
The A303?
But I'll take the challenge any day.
Watch this animal here.
In sight.
Is there a Hampshire Golf Club or anybody wants to play golf? Anybody interested?
Boring team. Half of the time looking for your own ball.
Bikers out today. As usual, the view freaking amazing.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Rolling hills, so pleasant. Beautiful rolling hills.
I like all the green.
Beautiful. Beautiful out here.
Like when the winter season is off, is gone, and you have all the green trees.
make a left-hand turn coming up somewhere soon, I think, relatively quick.
A left-hand turn. Okay.
Quarter of a mile. Cottonworth Cottages, that's where we're gonna go. Oops, there's a car backing out. I be careful. I think customer parking is around the back.
Yeah. All right. There's a parking on the left side.
What?
I said I'm seeing parking on the left
Yeah,
here.
that's what I just said. I'm going to stop here for just a minute. All right. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty. So that was a nice little visit. We just had some coffee there. We didn't do the tour, but we got some nice shots of the place for you guys. So if you're around Hampshire, Andover, Stockbridge area, the winery is there, so you guys can come and check it out.
You would like to talk about what kind of wines they have and they deal with?
It's in the picture, so you can talk about it if you want.
Well, they have this sparkling Chardonnay wine.
Okay.
The red wine is imported from Switzerland. In Point Noir.
sorting out my mirror. You guys didn't see it on the camera, but I knocked my bike over again. This poor little girl is getting so much abuse. So we had to tighten up the right side mirror. Luckily, we have the tools to do that now. Right, Ayo? Black Falcon?
Yes, Ruby Red Robin.
Alright. There's a van coming up behind Ayo. We're going to speed up just a bit. And then we're going to slow down, as it's only 30 over there. A little bit on the foot brake, gear down. Farm traffic sign, cute. Little tractor. Look at that hill up there. Wonder what's up there. Oh look, the shop is closed, I guess.
Maybe they open only weekdays.
No, it's for sale or lease. Did you see the sign? I know it's back there. That way. Alrighty. Somebody turned the sign around, the speed limit sign. I think I lost my music again for some reason. Alrighty.
Your music is off?
Yeah. Okay, just
Well, when
listen
we
to
get
the
to
wind.
Stockbridge, you could stop and put it back on. Or just before we get into Stockbridge, the parking, the left side parking.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Great minds and all.
So you want to park here, left.
Alrighty.
Thanks.
Oh, I thought he was coming. I thought he wanted to park there. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Should we lane split here?
Yeah, we'll have to do that. But be sure
Or maybe
first
we just wait. I think we
before
just
you
wait
try.
because I'm not going to, because cars are backing out and all kinds of other things here.
Your lights.
Guy's trying to back out. I'll be careful.
Yeah.
You know why there's so much traffic here? I don't know where that guy is going.
There always seems to be some kind of activity going on in this town.
I guess this is good practice for us. I think we got it. All right, Daddy. We're going to go all the way down this road and then we're going to turn right and go all the way back up. Unless you want to go down the Danbury Hill Fort Road. What do you feel like?
Any way you take,
Hello?
I'm fine.
Come on, Daddy. Come on. Bring it on up.
I'm trying.
there's a hotel or something back there. Big building.
Yeah.
Wonder what it is and how to get there.
You're saying what is out there?
I said there is a big building out there,
Yeah.
like a hotel or something.
They're ready to slow down.
Look at that countryside, babe.
Sorry, what did you say?
Look at the countryside.
Yeah.
It won't be too long, baby. You're gonna get through those tests and then you're gonna get yourself a more powerful bike.
Yeah, hopefully.
I think we're gonna go up this road. Where are you? Oh my gosh, you're so far back. All right, we'll just go straight.
I'm coming, Ruby Red Robin, I'm coming.
All right, baby. you finish talking about the wines?
What?
Did you finish talking about the wines?
Yeah, I did.
So they have like a core, yeah? And then a fifth one that they import from Switzerland, right?
Yeah.
Groupies, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can click the notification so you get alerts on when we're going to be on next. And thanks for watching again.
All right, baby, after this car, we good.